Welcome to another Wednesday, everybody. How are you doing? Yes, I am back inside of Ghost. This will probably be the last video that you see with her. Crazy, right? I've had her for 3 years now. Yeah, 3. And I've loved every moment. I've done so much to her, so much. This video, I guess, actually, I'll tell you what, there's going to be one more video after this. So stay tuned. But anyway, as far as today goes, if you've had the error ignition run start circuit input circuit open on your vehicle, and it's going to show a little airbag symbol, if that's been on your car and you're trying to figure out how to take care of it, that one is rather simple. So this video is going to be talking about that because that was one of the last things that had happened with Ghost. So the first thing that you're going to want to check is in the trunk. So let's get over to the trunk. But before we do that, let's say hello to Irie, see how he's doing. What's up, little man? This little boy is spectacular. I love him. All right, what you're going to do, check your battery, see if it's weak or not. If it's not weak and it still has a strong charge, you're good to go. That's the quickest and easiest thing you can do, is that one. Next up, what you're going to check are your fuses in the rear, and the numbers that you're looking for, number 27 and number 41. Number 27, and where's that 41 at? And number 41. Both of those are 10s. And what I had done was made sure that they were both straight. So even though it didn't show that the circuit on it had been broken, I still went ahead and replaced them. So that's 1 and 2 in the trunk. And then the very last one is in the front. All right, and then the one that we're looking for over here is going to say, let me find it. It's the run start number 3. And number 3 is this guy. I knew I was right. Sorry about that. So I was pointing at this. This is the actual run start. This is the 25 amp fuse to it. So I changed this. And the others that I showed you in the trunk, and then it disappeared. No more error message, no more lights. Everything was great, golden, wonderful. So again, that is probably the cheapest and quickest fix that I've done inside of Ghost, period. So if that comes up on yours and you run your little scan tool to see what's going on, if it says that, check those and you should be good to go, all right? So everybody, hopefully this has helped somebody. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please drop them in the comment section below. I appreciate each and every one of you. Ghost appreciates each and every one of you. And Irie is just having a good old time over there. He appreciates each and every last one of you. And so until next Wednesday, I will say peace. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you then. Take care. If you're enjoying the channel, smash that. Hit that. Like, comment, share. Until next time, peace.